I absolutely love cooking Asian food, and this Beef Chow Fun is a really quick and tasty midweek dinner on the table in 30 minutes. We're going to start by making a marinade, which will flavour the beef and give us a lovely sauce. To a bowl, we add 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, a teaspoon of sesame oil, a tablespoon of brown sugar, a tablespoon of rice vinegar, a teaspoon of minced ginger paste, 3 minced cloves of garlic, a tablespoon of chilli sauce, and 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper. Mix together, then pour 1/3 of that over 500 grams of steak that we've sliced into strips. We're going to marinate that for about 20 minutes and reserve the rest of the marinade for the sauce later. Now we're going to cook the noodles. I've got 200 grams of rice noodles here, and I'm going to place them in a pan of boiling water and cook them for about 5 minutes. Strain them using a colander and then run under some cold water to stop the cooking process. I'm also going to drizzle on a little bit of sesame oil just to ensure they don't stick. Now we're going to cook the beef. I'm using my wok for this, but you can use a frying pan if you haven't got one. Add a tablespoon of oil to the wok. Heat that over a high heat and then add half the beef into the wok. Cook that until it's lovely and browned and then remove from the wok and repeat with the remaining beef. Now we're going to cook the veggies, so add a remaining half tablespoon of oil to the wok. Add in half a sliced onion and fry that for a couple of minutes. Then add in a sliced yellow pepper and cook for a minute. Now we add that reserved marinade from earlier and bring it to the boil. Now we'll add in those cooked noodles and 2 cups of fresh bean sprouts. Toss everything together and cook until it's heated through. Add the beef back in and cook for another minute. At the last minute, add in 2 cups of fresh baby spinach and 4 sliced spring onions and give everything a final stir. Plate up and sprinkle on some sesame seeds and sliced chillies. That's my Beef Chow Fun, super quick and easy, packed with extra veggies. A perfect weeknight dinner. See you next time.